Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you in the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from today till the end of November. So let's start, honey. So your partner's current feelings for you right now are, let's see, Scorpio. Your partner's current feeling for you right now are, let's see. Nine of Swords. Oh my God. Your partner is feeling anxious, stressed, not able to take any kind of decision, not able to sleep. It's kind of you are on their mind 24 into 7, but they are not able to might be tell you this, or they are not able to figure out what is happening wrong with you guys. I don't know what is wrong with you guys, but this person is not at all able to sleep. They are constantly thinking about you. They are constantly thinking negative actually. They are overthinking. Kind of not in a good energy at all regarding this situation, regarding this connection. Let me clarify the Nine of Swords as their feelings for you. Seven of Swords and the Eight of Pentacles in reverse and the Three of Swords. Oh, there is some kind of secret that is coming out, and there's a blockage in this connections. This connection is not working out actually, and there is something that is related to the third party. They came to know something about the third party. They came to know something about the past situation might be, or they came to know something about someone, and that is making them very stressed and anxious, constantly thinking about the negative, constantly overthinking, constantly in this energy of this is not going to work out because they are with somebody else, this is not going to work out because they have somebody else in the equation. It's like overthinking, overstressing, not able to sleep, not able to do anything. This is what they are feeling for this connection right now. Okay, let me see what you feel for them, Scorpio. Let me see what you feel for this person. Five of Cups. Sad, depressed. What the hell is happening? It's like it's kind of sad energy. Scorpio, you're very sad, you're regretting something, you're depressed, you're not able to move on from this situation, move on from the past situation. I don't know what situation you are in, but you are not definitely uh, able to move on from the situation. You are definitely facing some kind of regret or loss or depression in your energy right now, uh, related to this person, particularly related to this particular person, and you are feeling very sad, missing them badly, regretting what happened to you guys in the past. Okay, you are regretting something. Let me clarify the Five of Cups as their feelings for you, as your feelings for them actually, as your feelings for them. Let me see. You're regretting something, Scorpio. Hermit could be dealing with the Virgo here, the Tower moment, and the Temperance could be dealing with the Sagittarius here. It's like three major arcana cards. It's kind of major life lesson that you're going through right now, okay? And you're thinking a lot about the breakup, about the falling out. You are being very patient. You are being very silent right now about this particular connections, fallout, about this particular connection that was not working out, about the breakup thing. You are thinking a lot, and there is some kind of sudden realization also. You are trying your best to being very patient with this situation right now. You're trying to go within and question yourself and trying to seek answers from within, but I don't see you're getting any kind of answers. It's like the breakup or the fallout or whatever it was, it's making you feel like depressed and very sad, and it's like angry energy, resentment energy, kind of difficult energy that you are dealing with right now, Scorpio. Let me see what this person wants from you. Fool. This person wants you to restart this connection, and don't think about the future, don't think about the past, just live in the present moment with you. They want to take the leap of faith with you. They want to take the uh, the path with you, the unknown path with you. They just want you to trust the universe and everything is going to be fine. It's like just they want to take the leap of faith with them. restart this connection all over again with this fresh energy. Let me clarify. The Fool, Ace of Swords, the Lover's card, and the Eight of Cups. Could be dealing with a Gemini here. See, they want to have a brand new beginning with you, but they want you to walk away from the third party situation and have a brand new beginning with them. It's like they're thinking like this was a past situation, or the third party situation is no longer working with you. I feel like, yeah, you're also feeling like, yes, uh, this third party thing is not happening, or this third party situation is not working with me anymore, or you are, just walking away from the third party or walking away from somebody. So they are ready to have a brand new beginning with you. This is what they want from you. Okay, Scorpio, they want to have a brand new beginning with them. They want you to take the decision regarding this third party. They want you to leave the third party. For most of it, it's like they want you to leave the third party, and for others, it's like, yeah, they want you to take a decision and stick to that, whether it is like related to them or related to you, leaving them or leaving the other person. So it's like, yeah, leaving them or leaving you, I'm sorry. So it's like, yeah, you want this person to have a brand new beginning with you, and they want you, and you want yeah, they want to have a brand new beginning with you, but they feel like you should leave the third party and take the decision to stay with them, to stick with them. This is what they want from you. Okay, Scorpio, let's see what do you want from them. Scorpio, let's see. Strength card in reverse. You want them to open up. You want them to open up. You want them to talk to you openly and honestly and communicate with you. Open up the gates of communication between you guys. You want them to be very, very open and honest, like, yeah, this is what you want. Uh, this is what they want. This is what they think about the situation. This is what they are feeling about the situation. You just want them to, open up. No longer holding. Could be dealing with the Leo. Let me clarify. You just don't want them to hold back anything, or hold back anything in their mind or soul, or somewhere like, kind of this. You want them to open up to you. Yeah, Six of Cups and the Two of Pentacles and the Nine of Cups in reverse. You want them to bring the balance in this connection back as it was in the past. You want them to stop juggling, and you want them to, release the emotions of hatred or negativity, or everything that is not serving for you guys, or everything that is not working out for you guys. This is what you want from them, Scorpio. You want this person to open up to you, and you want this connection to be as it was in the past, might be before 2 years. Okay, you want them to stop juggling, and you want them to release the control, or release the situation, release the ego, and start opening up to them and relax and talk to them. This is what you want from them. Talk to you and start opening up to you. This is what you want from them. Okay, Scorpio. Let's see what is coming towards you till the end of November. Death or rebirth. It's kind of decision. I feel like this relationship is going to end. Although it is ending, I don't see this is the final end. This is not the end of the story between you guys, Scorpio. Let me clarify the death and rebirth. It's like, yeah, this is ending, but it is restarting. Let me clarify what is happening. Nine of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands. I feel like either you or them will decide that they are going to work on the financial stability, they are going to work on their future, they are going to work on their money, job, whatever it is, and they will return back to you after a certain period of time, or after they are going to be stable in their life. This is what is happening. It's like, yeah, although it is right now, it is feeling like, yeah, this is the end of the story, but I feel like you guys are going to decide, like, let's be stable first in our respective lives, and then wait for the right moment, or wait for the right time to unfold the situation. Then we will see what will happen. Okay, so for the time being, I think it's over, but I feel like you guys are going to meet halfway in the near future, you can say, in the long term future. Yeah. So thank you so much, Scorpios, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste. Bye.